Today, we're going to bring an otoscope. So we're going to take a look at it and see how well it works. Now, if you guys notice, this is actually it comes with an actual little enclosure in here, so which I like. So we're going to open it up, see, completely open it. And if you guys can see it, everything's like well neat in here. And actually the system itself, it's actually smaller than my phone. I'm going to take it out of the actually, see, look at my phone compared to the size of it. And look at and it comes with LED lights built in here too. It's compatible with Droid or iOS, and we're gonna come out and take everything out apart here. So let's go ahead and take everything in here. You guys can see it. There is a USB Type C connection because you can actually use this as a Type C connection, and they give you extra accessories for the ears. Just be cautious about what you put in your ears. Make sure you don't put it all the way through and something. Now, if you guys notice, these are little grabbers in here, and these I don't know what they call them, but I'm going to show you, demonstrate one. And if you guys ever seen a doctor's office, they have these, and they actually sell something like this. Now, this is actually to grab some of the earwax from your ear itself. So it's a little attachment that you had set up, and they give you a couple setups in here. You can actually replace this and buy extra ones. So I'm gonna put these on the side for now, and we're gonna see what else is in here. Now they do give you a manual and a thank you card from their company itself. All right, I'm gonna put that in the side, the menu, and then they give you. I like this. This is a plus. This is, to me, is a really good plus because it comes with a Type C connection to actually iOS phones, or Apple phones, and then it has another Type C straight out to micro USB for the older phones of the Droid. So it's compatible either or, if you guys can see that. That's a good feature to have, especially if you're not sure what to buy. This is good because it's compatible with either or. All right, so we're gonna put this on the side, and we're gonna actually crank this up and connect it to one of our phones, and see if we can see that in there. So let's go ahead and do that. But prior to that, they give you instructions and they tell you you can do either, you can connect this to your computer and you could view it through like a camera feature, or you could actually use an application and record it from there, or watch it from the actual phone. And so we're gonna see if we can take a look, and we're gonna try either or. And of course, they give you instructions where to download the application too. All right, so let's go ahead and start. All right, for starting this one, you got to know the model first of all before you even go here. So we're going to hit the plus button, all right? And then we look for the actual model that we have, which is the 430, AE430, and I found it here, hit next. And then it takes you to a video tutorials. You could watch them, and it'll show you how to connect it directly to your laptop or your computer, or if you want to use it to your phone, they give you instructions how to. So once again, like I said, there's two options that you have. One is for Mac and PC, your connection. You can connect Type C directly to your computer. And the next one is that you can connect your phone directly to it, and it will automatically start charging your phone too. So that's another great feature that it has in there. But right now we're just going to connect it directly to the actual phone. All right, one important thing that you should know, it's going to ask you if you want to charge your phone or you want to actually use a camera. You got to make sure you have that security feature enabled on either phone, or you have to, or it's not going to work. So right now, if you guys see it says connected and capture first video. So we're going to go ahead and capture first video, which is right here. And right now, we're just going to capture a little bit of my hand, if you guys can see it. I'm actually capturing some of it. You could do a photo gallery, or you could do a video. So right now, if you guys notice, I'm showing you what I'm looking at. So let's go ahead and see how it works. So let me actually use a lettering here and put it in here and capture it and see how well it works. If you guys notice, see, look at the details on it. And I'm actually capturing. Right now it's crooked because I got to make sure that I follow the right place. So we're going to go to user right now, if you guys can see that. And this is how micro it's actually capturing the phone. Now let's capture it and post some of the video. So we're going to capture my eardrum. You guys can see it's a little dirty. Oh, there's some stuff in there. Oh, shoot. Some stuff. But overall, it's not that bad. It's just a little bit. I can't go any deeper. I don't want to go any deeper than that. If you guys can see it, my eardrum there. So you can actually see the eardrum from here, which is great. But I don't have any damage or anything like that. Make sure there's a little hair going in here. And here capturing all that stuff. Get that GUI out. And we should be in business if we just remove that. Now we're gonna set it up in here and just be careful. I will say don't go in all the way through because there is no protection on this. So be careful about that. Now, one thing I ran into it that it won't let me capture any video at all. It's actually asking me to activate the application itself. So every time I connect to it, it goes into the system. It'll be able to review the stuff. If you guys notice, it'll be able to review the stuff. But then if I hit video, and I try to capture it right now, which I'm gonna see if I could go see if you guys can see that. It's actually trying to capture. You hit record, and it stops working. It just says, "Hey, you gotta continue." I'm gonna continue the app. I'm gonna say close the app right now. We're gonna go back to the app, and it just asked me to activate, and it won't go any further than that. So on the phone, you might have to purchase it. It's $1.99 for the application, but we're gonna set it up on our computer in a bit and see if we can capture. All right, overall, this is perfect for those that have a lot of ear build up. This is perfect way to actually remove it. Now, I did find it that it wasn't going all the way through. I didn't want to force it. It's a little too heavy for it. It's a little too tight for it. But it's a great security thing because for your health, because you don't want to go in all the way through and damage some of the stuff. So it does come with the little, like I said, little hooks that you can put in there to actually grab some of that earwax. You're able to navigate pretty good with this little system itself. Just the only thing, just be cautious about which way is the hook going. All right.